Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a desk transformation. This is not a tutorial on how to do it, I'll just show you guys how I did it. I've had this desk for a number of years and I didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to cover it up with this vinyl film sheet which I got from Amazon. It's called the Fairy Berry Sticker, so if you guys are interested I'll also link it below. I'm just cleaning my desk to make sure that there aren't any bumps on the surface. So guys, I didn't do any measurements. I'm not sure if you're meant to do measurements, but all I did was place down the roll to the edge of the desk and push it down with a 30cm ruler. So as you can see, I'm just doing that really slowly every single time, just making sure that then there's no air bubbles. Towards the end of the desk, I made sure that the film was super smooth again using the ruler, and then I used a really sharp penknife to cut along the lining of the desk. I had a bit of a problem with the corner of the desk. As you can see, I was taking a long time to do this, so I'll just redo it again later. And I'm going to repeat the same process for all four sides, so just using again the penknife along the lining of the desk. Here I am redoing that same corner that I wasn't happy with. So I'm just further cutting a bit more so that it's slightly more straighter and sharper. After doing all four sides, I went back to that same corner which I wasn't happy with and used a leftover piece to cut out a rectangle to cover up the corner, so there aren't any gaps or any holes. To be honest, no one's going to really notice unless they go really close up, so no one's gonna know. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, and hopefully see you next time.